So this tree fell down during the fall, and it's the main throughway, whatever, for the deer. It's the main path for the deer, coming from this hardwood ridge over here behind us. So we got to try to clear this out today, just to get it done, something to do, and we can also use it for firewood. So anyway, we'll get to it.
I'll just meet you up there, Frank.
But it needs to be split. This is a great time of year to split because So last night we were calling for coyotes. The food plot is only maybe about 60 yards out. And this morning we get up, we decided, well, one of the main entrances that the deer have to go to the food plot was blocked due to a storm we had in November. Big tree came down, so we decided to cut it for firewood. Nice piece of hardwood, all fresh, snapped right off, blocked the trail. So we've been clearing it out. We're about 60 feet in, and then we see this real fresh coyote tracks right here. So he was close. So there was a coyote close to us. This is a freshly laden snow. This snow just came down yesterday morning. So this coyote was definitely in here yesterday. So just didn't pop his head out.
Lots of activity down by the pond.
Yeah, we had apples down here in that spot. That must have been after the apples.
Lots of bunny action. I think we were putting our snares in the wrong spot.
Yeah, this is more than bunny.
Over there. Yeah.
Some squirrels. Hey guys, so yeah, this is a man-made pond here. This is our little pond. It's 11 feet deep and kind of cool, but it's been overgrown with alders. So we wanted to thin it out and make a path around it. You know, mostly for ourselves, but just to clear it out, make it a little nicer. We still have a lot of work left to do here, but I'm exhausted. We've been cutting all day, cutting wood for firewood and clearing trails for the deer that were blocked. And anyway, we're done now. So, but you couldn't walk around the pond before because the alders were so thick. It was just a maze. You couldn't get through it. But Joanne's gonna walk you through it. So, pretty tired right now. So we'll see.
Put myself down. Right now, this is as far as we can go. We're going to make a bridge here so that we can connect over through up here is where we want to put maybe some apples for hunting next year. And I'll show you the other side. The tired boy.
Oh my God, I'm exhausted.
So this is what Frank was saying was a maze. Truly was a maze. And you can see all through here, this is all alders where the pond overflows down in through here. So it's just a hot mess there. But he's cleaned it right out. And now we can walk through peacefully. Hopefully with no ticks. Now we can get right over to here, which we weren't able to before. And then that's where we're going to put the bridge over there. Nice and wide. Nice open. Now we can sit here with a couple beer and enjoy the pond. Maybe put some fish in so we can start fishing from our own pond.
That'd be nice. Have some trout get in there. The otters don't get in here and eat them all up, but that'd be cool. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed that video. Check out the details below in the description. There's lots of information in there. And please leave me a comment. Leave me your thoughts. Love to hear from you guys. I always try to reply to everybody's comments. As well, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell to get the notifications when a new video has been uploaded. As well, if you like this video, you'll find more just like it right here. And don't forget to head over to my website by clicking right there. Thanks for watching.